Hi Crafty Friends, it's Scrapping Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? Today here in Texas is actually, I think, 70 degrees right now, so it's actually a very nice day. Today we're going to do an unboxing from DP Clubs, so let us begin. The first one is actually a diamond painting, and it's called Little Girl and Flower, and I just think it's too adorable not to show. It sort of reminds me of like a stamp, like a vintage, you know. Look how cute the little girl is. She sort of also reminds me of the dresses that what was her name, the movie star, oh my god, Shirley Temple, the outfits that she used to wear. So you got a little birthday, I guess maybe it's her birthday, I'm not sure, but there's some presents here. Looks like she's got some shoes here, and she's carrying like a little purse in shape of maybe a flower or a butterfly. And there's some flowers over here also. Okay, so this one is a 30 by 40 centimeters, and it's 20 and it has 21 colors, and this one is $5.79. So let's measure it, because I don't think it's 30 by 40. 30 by 40 is including all this. Okay, but the painting itself is almost 23 by 32 and a half. Okay, all right, so let's put that ruler aside. See how sticky, super sticky. Let me bring her up so you can see her. She's got two cute little bows. Also reminds me of the way I used to comb my daughter's hair. Okay, look how cute she is, guys, and she's very clear. Her little outfit with her little blue shoes, and I think these are other pair of shoes. Or maybe she's like, oh, she's a little ballerina. So those are little ballet shoes. Just too cute. All right, so this came with, of course, the tray, wax, and a pen. Excuse me, losing my voice there. And these are the drills. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's see. It looks like it comes in these little bags, and you have all, oh my, all these are actually $9.51. It's like that beige color. And of course you got some orange, some blues, some yellows. And you have $9.75. These are brown. Let's put these over here so you can see them better. And then you have like a mustard color, some blues. That's pretty. That looks like maybe for the background here. More blues. This is like a little beige, like a beige color. This is $38.56. There's another little like a tan. And then you have lots of these, and I think this is blue. Yep. The number is, if I can read it, 939. Okay. It's like a dark blue. And then you have 413. It's like a gray. This is like a chocolate. And this is like a light chocolate. So this is $3.56. And then just, let's see. More beige, 938. It's like a dark brown also. So it looks like it's mostly browns and black, and some like a reddish, and of course these lovely colors that I love. This is $6.47. It's like a sage, and then this one is $6.45. So it's another sage, but a little darker than that one. Okay, so let's push this. Actually, let's put this aside over here on this side. So this one is called Little Girl and Flower. It's round, 21 colors, 30 by 40, and it's $5.79. And she's just so adorable. Okay, so let's put her aside. Now, the next one, I've never ordered these, so I said, what the heck? This one is a DIY Mandala special shaped diamond painting pencil storage box, which I thought is so cool. Of course, guys, look at the colors. Blues, greens, and purples. So it's a pencil case. And this one I got for $7. Oh, wait, you're not supposed to peel that. Yeah, that's where the drills go. This one's $7.79. But look how pretty that is. See that? It's got special drills, and it looks like it has 2 compartments. So let me see if I can open it without... Oh, wait, wrong side. Yeah. So it's got 2 compartments, you see? And actually the drills are in here, the special drills. Well, it's pretty big. See that? So you could actually put your diamond pens in here, your tweezers, you know, even a couple of beads. So, or you could use it for pencils and decorate it and actually give the gift, or this would be actually a very nice Christmas gift for the Christmas stocking, excuse me. But look at how pretty these special drills are. I love special drills, guys. I should actually get more, right? Okay, so let's see. So you have, these are sort of like, they look like mermaid, like I don't know if you can see that, but it's got blues, greens, purples in there, reflecting. Very nice. And these are round. And these are also round, but these are like purple, big purple. They look like big purple buttons or candy. And then you have the teardrops, very pretty. This one has like purple in there, blue, but it's basically purple. And then you have these, this is a smaller teardrop. It's like a silver. And this is another teardrop. This is like a red orange with some yellow in there. Pretty cool. And then this one, look how beautiful this one is. This one has purple, blues, yellow. And then it looks like this is just a regular purple beads. Oh, that's going to look so pretty. You know what? I'm going to have to get some more of these and put these in Christmas stockings. You know? Okay. This would be actually a nice gift for my niece. And for my daughter. Okay? That's pretty nice. Okay, let's put that aside. And then the last one, I thought, why not, right? I think it's just adorable. This is a DIY special shaped diamond painting jewelry box Dragonfly and decoration case, so you get to decorate it. But look how pretty that dragonfly is, guys. Imagine with all the special drills there. Yeah, and this one was actually $15.79, and this is actually a perfect also Christmas present. Look how cool this is. Wow. Wow. Does it have slots? Oh yeah, it does. You actually put jewelry in there. Or you could use it for other things. You could put your little secrets in there. See that? Pretty cool. So it comes, of course, with the tray, wax and pen, and some baggies. Resealable baggies. And these are the special drills to decorate it. So, close it so you can see the dragonfly. Well, it's got a couple of dragonflies, but this is the big one. The one that you get to decorate. Okay, and these are in numerical order. So you have the small purple, just regular round. And this is just a lighter purple. And this one, I believe it's black. And this one is like a yellow, like a light clear yellow. And this one's a yellow one. This one's like a red orange. And this one's a little bigger than the others. Bigger beads in green. And these are teardrops, and this is like a red. And wow, I've never seen this one. This is like a gold color, I guess. Pretty cool. I like this, guys. And like I said, these are great for birthday presents, Christmas presents, any kind of present. You know? And they come in all, of course, different designs. I just happen to like the dragonfly. Okay, let's put this back in here. I think it was like this. Of course, it doesn't close for me now. But anyway, so that's it, guys, for today. So we've got the little girl in flower, which is $5.79. And then we have the beautiful special shaped pencil storage box. Okay, and this was $7.79. Let me move this out of the way. And of course, a beautiful Dragonfly jewelry box decoration case. So you get to decorate both of them. All right. So I would like to thank DP Clubs for giving me the opportunity to share these products with you guys. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving with family and friends. And be safe, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.